An elephant calf was rescued by the Assam State Zoo team from Deeporbil after it became separated from its herd and mother. Local villagers noticed and quickly called for help from the forest department. The entire zoo team, including the villagers, worked together to save the baby elephant. It was tricky because baby elephants are strong and can be dangerous if scared. The team had to be patient and wait for the right moment to safely tranquilize the calf. Finally, after a lot of teamwork and careful planning, they successfully rescued the baby elephant. Now, it's safe and being taken care of at Assam State Zoo. Everyone felt relieved and happy that they could help and be a part of the rescue operation.